is a bit of a spin on the classic Japanese eggplant with miso. Instead of using miso, I'm going to be using sambal, and for a hit of sweetness, some marmalade. It works a treat. Now my trick is to steam the eggplant just to give them a head start before they go into the oven. So I'll just grab a sharp knife. I'll cut the eggplant in half. When you're choosing your eggplants, make sure they're firm, they're shiny. If they're quite spongy, you know they're old, and we don't want them. We want them to be nice, bright and perky. And the second one, and I'm going to leave the stalk on it because I think it looks fantastic for presentation. Now I've got a steamer basket ready to go. I've just placed a bit of baking paper on the bottom of it, and we'll just nestle them in like so. Pop the lid on. This is going to steam for about 10 minutes or until they're quite soft. Now in a bowl, I'll add a tablespoon of the sambal, which is a delicious Malaysian style chili sauce. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons and some marmalade. We'll mix that together. Some sesame oil, just a splash. And good old ginger, about a 2 centimetre piece of ginger that I'm going to finely grate. And that is all we need in our sauce. We'll just wait for these eggplants to finish cooking and then we can start grilling them. The eggplant is cooked, and the best way to check that they're cooked is just to grab yourself a small knife, pierce it through the centre. See how there's no give? It's just so soft. Super happy with that. Just so they don't stick, a splash of extra virgin olive oil. I'll just use my hand just to spread that out evenly. And we'll carefully take them out. Use a spoon just because steam, it's so hot. We've just got to be extra careful with that. They're also very soft, so I don't want to break them. They just look fantastic whole like this. The last one. And just to ensure this delicious sambal sauce really penetrates into our eggplants, just pierce it a few times without going all the way through to the skin so it completely absorbs that yummy sauce. I'm going to season each eggplant with some salt and we'll drizzle this over each half, spreading it out. These go under the grill for about 5 minutes until they're really caramelised and slightly charred on the outsides. How good does the eggplant look? To finish off, some black sesame seeds, and I would serve that in the middle of the table as is. Maybe a little extra soy sauce, but that's it. Really, the eggplant is the hero here.